everybody, welcome back to another video. You might be wondering, why am I saying this in a different tone? It's because I've already recorded 3 videos today, and I'm not even stopping yet. I'm pretty tired, so let's just get this next tower defense vid over with. Today we're only going to be doing a few rounds, like 1 or 2. Last one, which was with Maya, I did 2 rounds and we won both of them. Very big thing. Big brain stuff. I got big brain stuff to do, and yeah. I'll be right back. Yeah, I'm basically torturing myself with these videos. I am making so many of them! I'm right now using Skype to try calling Maya. AKA, oof! She's playing with another friend first. Don't mind that. I'm just trying to call another one of my friends. They're not a YouTuber. I just want to record with them. So he isn't answering me. From my 87 voicemail messages. Yay, let's continue calling him. Oh my gosh. How far has this video been going on already? For 4 minutes. I'm torturing myself by asking random people if they want to be in a video with me. I am actually recording this, and what am I doing with myself? Well, I have absolutely no idea. I should record another video, another game instead. Build a boat for treasure sounds suitable. So let's do just that. Yeah, a build a boat for treasure video. Yay. I've done piggy, tower defense, and now build a boat for treasure. This is 4 videos today, and I hope you guys enjoy. I want to get a like goal of... Can we hit a like goal of 20 likes for my suffering for today? I'm recording these videos for you guys. Reason number 1, I need the cash from these views. Number 2, I want people to actually notice that I exist. And number 3, collaborations with other people. And I'm driving around with my other car. And now this random person is in the video. It's already 6 minutes long. I see he has that. Concrete. Yeah, I'm getting bored. Not of this channel, at least. Bored of this sort of recording for today. Maya was right. I shouldn't have been recording so many of these. I'm starting to get bored. Let's just see how many times we can get to the end. Of course, not in this thing. This crazy old hunk of junk doesn't even make it to the end. Never has and never will. This crazy old hunk of junk isn't the type of hover car you're going to want. As usual, make sure you send me friend requests on YouTube, on Roblox, because you'll have a chance of being featured in one of my videos. Yay. If we reach... Well, can we please end my suffering for today by getting a total, by hitting the like goal of 20 likes? I just want to end my suffering. So can you guys please help me by ending it? By getting me 20 likes. That like goal will help me end my suffering. Oh, but I plan on doing more videos today! Now that crazy old hunk of junk is done, let's work this one. My hovercraft. One of the only things I haven't forgotten about. Don't mind the random names for these things. They are exactly what they sound like. Seriously, they're exactly what they sound like. You may have seen a file called Thomas. Yeah, it's a file. Thomas the Train. This is a rare moment. The hovercraft didn't work. I'm probably gonna get copyright struck by this video. I'm getting tired. Alright, sir. It's a chill thrill. If you're watching this, Sorry for using your game without permission. Chill, Thrill, I assume you don't have Skype. So just, I don't know. All rights served to you. I love this game, of course, a lot. I play it almost every single day. Please end my suffering. I might be recording a bit too much. But it's to get out content for you guys, so... you guys tell me if it's worth it. Worth risking my sanity just to make you guys happy. You guys decide. Please end my suffering. I should just try making something to take my mind off of this insanity. I should just, you know, make something normal to try and keep my sanity, blah, 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 and all that. I should just, you know, make something normal for content purposes and all that. Wait, what am I even doing? I have no idea what to do this video. So I'll probably just be making this video for no reason at all. Just trying to make a few points at this. Just trying to make those checks out to cash and all that. All rights served to the people who made this game. I'm getting bored. Yet I'm actually making this video for you guys as entertainment. So you guys don't ask for more content for a couple of weeks. I just want this to be done. Yes, I'm making this willingly. I am actually making this video willingly. Can you believe that? That I'm actually willing to do this stuff for you guys as entertainment? The crazy stuff us YouTubers do for content purposes. The crazy things we do for you guys to keep watching us. The stuff we even do just for you guys to not abandon us Honestly. What am I doing? Seriously, what am I doing? The stuff we do for content. The thing I do for content purposes. Torturing myself for content purposes. Wait, did I seriously just make a drill? I think I just made a drill. Hang on, let me just make this again. This is just a random tutorial to make something random again. So what you're going to want to do is, just get a hinge, anchor a wheel above ground, put the hinge on it, blah blah blah, and that's it. And then you're gonna wanna, put that there, and then boom. Just got something random. And if you want a weird effect on this, you can just... Wait. Stuff we YouTubers do for content. Am I right? The stuff we do is honestly absurd. This video is pretty much pointless, so I don't know why I'm making it. Why am I making this again? Who knows? Who the heck even cares, though? I'm just doing this to make you guys not have to ask me for more content. I'm already getting a lot of boredom doing this. I'm pretty much just going to end this here, I think. I have no idea what I should do anymore for this video. It's probably for the better that I end this. I'm losing my sanity. And over what? Recording? Well, this is the video. Got a weird thing. What is this? What is this thing? What is this drill? What is this drill? I have no idea what I'm doing. Make sure to friend request me on Roblox and all that stuff. And I'll see y'all next time when I record again. Yay!